activity called Pepper's Ghost.
It's an illusion, is reflected with light, and you need it to 45 degrees angle for it to show up.
It's like an illusion that depends on light and the glass.
We learned about our UOI story.
In the story, she sees supernatural stuff like ghosts. She thinks it's the trick of light or it could be supernatural. So she tries, the teacher tells her you should try an experiment called Pepper's Ghost. So we tried it.
We used some mirrors to reflect the light of the screen so we can see the picture on the wall.
First, we put the iPad on the ground. Then we put the cup on the iPad. After that, we placed the plastic sheet at a 45-degree angle. After that, we play the video for Pepper's Ghost. It popped up a little, but it needs to be just a little bit more darker so it can actually come up. But if you look at it in an angle, it looks like it's coming up. So it's like an illusion trick of light.
I felt kind of nervous and scared because the ghost is like an illusion, but it looks real. It was awesome, but I think we needed a bit more darkness because it wasn't really like floating or anything.
The challenging part was we had to carry the mirror to the right angles and it was very heavy.
Like Roy said, we do need a little bit of darkness, but when you look at it from the right angle, it still looks pretty cool.